Good start.
Who scored?
Silas.
I got a fucking knot on top of my head and shit.
Don't let him shoot. Jump on. Hey, silly. Don't bring it down. Just keep going.
Where he come from?
He keep going out of town. He was in Cancun last week.
You gotta look at the ball.
Wait, can we talk some shit on camera? Icebergs without Nick and Courtney might be the worst team in the league. Worse than all the Grammar boys with all these boys.
Hand up. Good steal.
I don't know about this. I might take my ass to something.
Who's the foul on, TJ?
This might have more turnovers than that game just happened. We had a lot of turnovers. T gonna be shitty when he found out y'all won without him. T gonna be real shitty when he found out y'all won without him.
He thought he was MVP of the league. He thought he was MVP of the league.
Somebody said something to T, man.
No, he didn't. He mad at you.
You don't like me?
But he said you yell at him every time he shoots.
You always fine.
That's on Facebook, man.
Man, you make that up.
What'd you say?
He said every day. Every day.
I yell at him?
Yeah, he said every time you shoot,
You yell, you want the ball. You yell, you want the ball on.
That's why he said
Go finish, Greek.
Versus Buffalo 20 once in the I don't even care. So I don't know where he's getting that from.
he gonna be so shitty. We just take a foul. He's taking a foul. 22 foul. I'm trying to just sit here distracting everybody.
Well,
You gotta hit some free throws, guys.
Bro, you should tell me. Not tweet. I don't know how to tweet.
Hand up, hand
It
up.
was on Facebook, man. But I didn't read it on Facebook. He said every Saturday.
You never said it to me.
He said why y'all playing.
Good rebound.
You ever notice when you go in and come out?
You know what? I don't pay attention to the game.
Okay.
I will next time.
That shit was
Good
noticed
rebound,
I ain't on the
son.
floor a lot together.
Good
That
pass.
shit was funny, man.
Good people, man.
I didn't either. Just start noticing that y'all not on the floor
This
together.
motherfucker said, do you notice when you come in, he come out?
Better start watching.
That shit
I
true.
told him, I said, if you would have said something, maybe I wouldn't have had 8 turnovers.
That shit.
Hands up.
Next time I see him, I'm going to fix that, though.
Good D, Jeff.
Nah, he definitely said that. We had a whole dinner.
Good block.
How you want to trade?
Good block, Zach.
Of course he didn't say that to you.
He said he loves playing with us.
Nah, he loves watching y'all play.
What's up, coach?
He told me we've been popping you in that 2K. He told me we've been popping you in that 2K.
Yeah, why I thought dude had on some sandals?
He probably ain't tell you I dubbed him the first time.
Act like you don't like him
I played.
sandals on ever. Like ever. His ball moves.
I thought he had 20 body with the Pacers. George Hill had 28.
Lockout. Y'all gonna be shitty when they say we getting paid wrestling. Y'all gotta pay 75.
Good block, Dex.
Y'all gonna be shitty.
No, I'm not even playing.
What's $30 more? What's $75 anyway?
They said that's what it'd be to get paid wrestling.
I know what I'm saying, but 75, that's nothing. That's nothing.
Because they want $20 a game each day.
I would do that to have some rest, some real rest.
They suck too though. Y'all don't understand.
Nah, at least.
Y'all gonna argue with the rest regardless.
Nah, it ain't no favoritism.
Ain't no favoritism anyway. We
I don't
want
know
both
why.
teams to lose when we wrestle. We can find a way to make both teams lose.
That's impossible.
Right?
You should have just told him to get bigger. Tell him to get bigger. Say you should have told him to get bigger. Good shot, Jeff. Which makes that tip in even worse.
I used to hoop out there. I don't like going up there no more.
I don't like that $3.
Yeah, that.
Good block, Dex.
Every day.
Still be paying that shit.
You gotta pay $3 to get in.
Oh.
It's
Hold
got
up, Celius.
He's taking the ball under the basket, man.
That's what he lets us take it out under the basket. That's what I really need to tell you. I said you gotta take it out under the basket.
Do that to me, I'm the first one I have.
It wasn't us, it was y'all. It was y'all.
He did.
Yes. Cook his ass.
Got you on lock.
Hey, cook his ass.
Look it back to him.
He could have kept rolling. Yeah, he should have.
Make it work.
You talk to me.
And one, man. He took it.
We already got them.
That's what you get when you hire a ref. When you got player refs. TJ, that was a foul. That was a foul right there. That was no foul.
You don't know how
That wasn't a foul.
the whole league will be checked out the games we ain't paying
Depends
for.
on how you call it.
The whole league will be checked out. No,
He was out his back. What you mean? How you call it?
Miami travel. Yeah,
See, they call the travel down here. See,
the only difference to me is that when you got real
What you
refs.
saying? We need real refs.
No, the only difference between a real
they give out texts. Shit.
We all be getting text.
no.
Oh no, I know. Nah, I keep my mouth.
Ref, you know what they look.
You keep your mouth shut. You ain't gonna complain as much.
Out here, you don't know what they know. You don't know what they
It's not consistent.
You don't know what they
And that's why I was saying, it depends on what they call it.
I hope we never have Jason as a ref. We have Jason as a ref. We don't shoot layups. We only shoot threes. I make great calls. You make good. You're good for one bad call. You're lucky.
Hell nah. One. Hell nah. He made like 3 of them. I would say.
That was an offense.
Nah, he extended that arm. They called that on me before. Extended arm.
Call it on him, I call it on Chase. I feel like that was a Lego call. I called George first. I know. You got it on me. That's why I called on you first. Yeah.
Couldn't have been a makeup.
It was. Because you called it on me first. You failed too. You can't get quick to your whole play. No, I didn't. I just got in front of him. But you, a real ref never called it.
See, that's the difference. See, a real ref would never call that. But see, that's still. But what the hell? You can't. That's it's illegal
What
regardless.
y'all saying? We should have a training camp for
No,
that?
The first time I got mad because I wasn't used to it. But this time I didn't get mad because I knew you was
All
about
he's
to
doing is getting the defender off.
Yeah, that's what I'm
All
saying.
he's doing is getting the defender off.
And it ain't no foul.
But in a real game, it can be called too. That wasn't a far-fetched call. It can go either way in a real game.
See, they don't know that it's getting the defender off of them. See, that's what I'm saying. They don't know that.
You flop with JT though?
Yeah, but that. But your boy, flop.
Yeah,
Three-point line. That was a flop.
Chase fought too though.
He's too lazy to get out there.
Chase had two fucking 3-point. Catch it down.
Offensive.
No, but you can't overemphasize the shooting.
Yeah, I know that.
If somebody come out at you that hard, you gonna fall too.
The one where he fouled him,
It's good offense.
Yeah.
that's a maybe.
But the other one, that was some. That was like 5 seconds later.
Noah put his whole body underneath him.
That's
You
just
said he
The
clipped
one
me.
on him was
You said he clipped me.
that's why I was saying.
I didn't know.
They called him put him either way.
Yeah,
But when Noah fouled, Noah had his whole damn
But
body.
I can see if you jump into him and move him, he ain't even moving. They was still standing. He still standing.
Both his legs, not just the one leg he kicked out, both his legs did.
I'm saying one Bashan. I'm talking Bashan.
Oh, the one on Bashan was iffy. It could have been, it could have been.
A lot of the calls, you can't get mad at that call.
But y'all would rather have a call every time instead of getting no calls at all. Right? I'm asking them.
I'm playing sports on the refs out there more when they get paid.
The way I figure is y'all would rather get the call if he calls and get no calls at all. And just let whatever happens.
That keeps the game going
The way the
too.
game plays. You know what I mean?
Sometimes it do, because when
Why the ref changed the whole game. The ref
They didn't call the whole
y'all
half.
gotta see what y'all gotta do is
Even last week when we lost, like I was talking about shit
like
like
if y'all see Jay Green, y'all ain't y'all go that way first half. That's why I the dude at 33, the one who was down here. I go that way first half every time. I go that way. That's why you gotta go there first half.
shot that.
I mean, niggas going to the inbound and ball.
Like, he's watching when they inbound, but once the ball's in play, he's talking to him.
Yo, who has 21 points? Like, I just looked up, it's 21 points.
They gonna do worse than we did them. They had Courtney last week.
Yeah, Stretch and Alex definitely didn't sit 6 minutes.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
You did?
I came out the last 5
Stretch
minutes of the first
definitely did.
half.
Stretch didn't
And
come
I
out
sat
at
out
all.
and started
Neither did Chase.
Didn't come out at
Chase
all.
didn't.
that was searching.
Chase didn't either. But they put that rule in for us.
Y'all should have seen him.
That don't matter. What does that matter? We are the best.
Y'all the Heatles.
That don't matter.
You said, why are you telling me?
No, what?
That's good. That's just like y'all the best team, so y'all ain't getting no foul.
You got something to the man over there.
But when you, what you mean?
Blood whistle game.
Now everything sits on us.
Nah, y'all.
Players can't.
What rank are y'all?
Yeah, I gotta come over here and talk.
I think we
Hope
still
you can't go to David Stern and be like,
But y'all have the best.
Anthony
record.
detected the Facebook message.
But like I said,
You need
record
to
during the
officially
season don't
message
matter.
Paul and ask him to watch the
It don't matter. Playoffs is a whole different attitude. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. You get beat that playoff, you out. You can have the best record. I faced somebody, who's that I faced right here in the corner? Was that?
We had to take advantage of our size today. Slow the game down.
we couldn't run because I got.
Was that Joe? I did right here in the corner, right here. I faced him. That was nasty. He was reaching.
If you ain't got it, why you ain't working on it?
That's why I'm here.
If you get a routine,
That's why I'm here.
if you get a routine,
You play with Courtney, didn't you?
you play Northwest Virginia.
Back then, Bambo, that's when he was young. Now he moves like an old man. He fall asleep when he gets to the bucket.
Bambo play faster than
Hey, look, he fall asleep when he gets to the bucket. Pick it up.
Hey man, I done put some years on this body.
Hey, he fall asleep when he gets to the basket. He like,
Bambo be looking like he playing.
like nigga, like you was going so hard to the bucket at first,
And then you get to the free throw
and then
line,
he go to
it's
sleep.
kinda-
I'm like, damn.
I just go back in, but it looks like I'm okay.
See who came to rescue you.
No brownies today.
Ah, nice. Go ahead and sit down.
Don't worry, I've already told off about the
What
round.
happened?
Points out there.
You know, if you had to play the Brownies, that would have never happened.
Exactly.
Yeah, Shakespeare's not happy.
What happened? Somebody played it off.
Now you got the bruise on it.
When Dex blocked that shot, his hand came down and hit Basilis in the eye. It just cut him on the bottom of his eyelid. But he wore contact, so it kind of made his eye real irritated.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
My stuff.
Basilis, you better use that to your advantage for the next couple weeks. You don't got to cut the grass, you don't got to take out trash, nothing.
heard it was designed.
Now he only got 5.
This is the best rep in the league, man. Just to put it out there.
It's because y'all took 20.
Hold on, we're gonna need that on camera.
What about
Hey, they had their free throws in the first half.
I like Les. What about Les? The death dude.
Les is pretty good. Les is pretty good.
He said, I think he said he did it for high school. He be getting real shitty this team. He be wide open real fast too. He be getting super shitty. Nah, he knows what he's doing.
Don't foul, don't foul.
Get back to him. Get back to him.
Good D.
Uh-oh, I got it on camera. Oh!
You gotta put that on the next reel.
Hey, I had it on camera.
Camera's zoomed in and everything.
I was like, oh.
You just made the bloopers. You made the bloopers.
Good help, Steely.
He all up. Oh!
Come on, rebound.
Yeah, they can jump.
They found one in the league. They do. Right there.
What's up? Get back, Lo. Get back.
This is an easy game, man. Can we just put the camera up here and just let it catch the whole floor?
Let me travel.
Nah, it ain't no trouble. See, if you was a rap, you would have called that. See, that's what I'm
It don't matter. As long as
Yeah, it's a shot of 10.
that's definitely travel.
Hey, slow down, y'all. Slow down. No rush.
The motherfucker didn't get the red zone. They called it. They called it.
Nah, he can do that.
Travel if you
shot,
lay
Jeff.
it up and everybody get your own rebound.
I don't personally do that, so I don't know.
I would hope you don't do it.
I actually done that.
You've never seen nobody else.
No, it happens. They've changed it so many times, I don't know.
Anything that ugly is not legal.
If it's a shot of 10,
Anything that ugly is not
Good
legal.
D, good
If
D.
you go for a jumper and you hit it, they'll call it. But he ain't hitting that one either. But it don't matter. If you just lay it up and get it back. That's what it's called travel.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
That's another thing I hate. That's another thing. When motherfuckers get like 30 with 2 minutes to go, they be complaining
We
about
lost to
that.
their team. We lost to the Road Runners. Nah, y'all play us next week. When everybody shows up.
Who are you missing? Are you missing somebody today?
Just DJ.
Come on,
Good
free
D, good D.
God damn.
He was about to miss that anyway. Shit, he had to jump. They go miss it.
That's another thing I hate about playing them. If you go to the corner, it's
I am
13
cold.
people right there.
Packing.
Yeah. The kids be running on the court and shit. Well, fuck when them little kids on the court, I'm playing. Yeah.
Yeah, you got that backwards.
I run this shit. I run this shit, man.
He don't play with Barlow. Barlow plays for him.
Barlow lucky enough to play for me.
we had like 53 seconds.
And I only got caught one time.
See, but y'all wasn't even arguing about that one.
We was telling them. They just went calling.
The red scar, everything else, but they don't call it.
Y'all had no chance, really.
Nah, what? Look, I ain't even worried about
I was
Gucci.
like, man,
Look,
y'all ain't gonna
I ain't even worried about Gucci. Gucci's a team that I ain't even worried about.
I was like, man, y'all just gonna let him say that?
Huh?
You not worried about it?
Nah, I'm not worried about Gucci. It was a bad game. It was a bad game.
You didn't play that well either.
I don't know why y'all put it. Chase ain't gonna play good on me at all. Put it anywhere. Chase ain't gonna play good on me at all.
Them bullshit, them 3-point foul calls and shit. Yeah.
And he didn't go watch the tape. Watch the tape.
Everybody knows Chase is gonna drop 30 every game, but nobody does it.
He didn't drop 30 on us. And he'll shoot 33.
He don't shoot 30 threes though. Look at his field goal percentage. He's the top 5 field goal percentage. Is he not?
Calvin, your man want to sub.
I'm talking
Calvin, your man want to sub.
Handles is trash. He go around the back one time, 2 dribbles around the back and shoot.
You can't say
He only has when they 2K12 creators, they give him 1 dribble goal.
He's trash.
Not.
But he is. That's all trash.
He's
What
a.
he doing on everybody else? I don't know.
He did it today though. He went on like a 10-12-0 run on
I was on
y'all.
the bench the first half.
He went on like a 12-0 run by himself.
When I was in right there.
Man, I have so much respect for you guys, your team, that we beat you.
I ain't worried. It's like I said, it's a regular
part of the
season.
game. It's part of the game.
I'm not worried about it.
That's still here. That's here.
Like I said, Gucci's a team I ain't worried about. Only teams I'm worried about is Dope. John and them, Calvin and them, they still a damn threat. They record.
They just lost to us without Sauer.
No, I'm just saying, but
They lost without. We beat them without Sauer. You gotta understand.
look, yeah, but I'm just saying, but who y'all have? You said without Sauer?
We didn't have Sauer.
Who had?
We had 5 people the whole game.
What's y'all?
No Sauer, no Nate.
know it's trash.
But see, they still don't got together as far as their chemistry.
Did it against y'all.
They don't got their chemistry.
John choked the end again.
See, that's what I'm saying.
Come on, rebound.
Did you just defend yourself from LeBron James? I think he sucks. No debate.
I won't say he's sad. I won't say he's sad the way he scores. I don't like. I'm a Kobe fan. I take Kobe better, but come on.
LeBron definitely disappeared in the fourth quarter.
Sit here and see.
Small when the game was on the line. When it's crunch time, he out there doing sit-ups.
You can't be the best in the league and never score in the fourth quarter. He was the best. He ain't no more. He old.
They just took Dallas just took him out. Our people
I'm
don't play
actually
out
not sure
there.
who's the best player in the NBA
I'm
right
not
now.
either. It's not.
We don't even have it.
Kobe's kind of getting old.
Yeah, I got it.
I mean, ain't nobody really elevating themselves up, so
Durant disappeared in the fourth
he
quarter
ain't
too.
there yet.
Actually, exactly. That's why the players don't want to do it. That's why they locking themselves. Like all that bullshit they be saying, let us play. It's y'all fault y'all won't play. Because y'all won't take no less money.
Players do make some money. Their contracts.
Yeah, that's why all that bullshit they be saying, let us play. It's the players.
Man,
It is. I'm not saying they make much money, but
They do. But
they
they
take
do.
contracts.
Yeah.
Fucking the league up.
They don't want to take anything like that. All they got to do is have one big contract. They set for life. They ain't willing to give that up.
Get rid of those markets. That's not making no money. They don't need to take them.
You gonna fuck around through Stern gonna put the Bobcats up on eBay.
Ain't no rush, y'all. No rush.
Get rid of the pay. Get rid of the pay. Get rid of the
Yeah, it was.
They pay for decent, man. They got a lot of pieces now.
Bird fucked
Getting
us
the
up.
same type of players.
Yeah, Larry Bird tore it down. I mean, it's coming back together now, but
I mean, they got Collison there and they got George Hill. I mean, he's a good player, but
he ain't gonna change the team.
It's still, you gotta feel the same. I'll get it out
Nah,
of
and still Hibbert become a real center.
our star player is the third best player in the team.
That's true too. Until Hibbert learned how to play center in the NBA.
Nothing a little bit.
come on, rebound.
I don't even feel like I'm watching the game. We watching the N1 mixtape right now.
The game is
Hey, yo! Yeah, well, they don't cut it out when they miss the layup.
Dexter's proper turnover.
That's good, D.
Come on, follow the shot, get the rebound.
Oh, they making a comeback.
Calvin, your teammate scored since the first half, I don't think, man.
Yeah, y'all ain't scoring since the first half.
Y'all was up like 36-15 to halftime, man.
3 seconds. Hey, Calvin, and then we have 2 people who score. Why y'all playing zone?
Everybody goes to. What's the score?
Y'all ain't scored since the first half.
What's that have to do with our defense? Not scoring. You just said 2 completely different things.
Bad coaching. They have 2
Why
people.
don't he catch the ball instead of trying to tip it?
They've been watching Alex play.
Tipping the ball for
They've been watching Alex play.
Huh?
They've been watching Alex play.
Yeah. That should be a little bit back in the game.
It's a nice thing to do.
No, that's when you had the most fun, when it's a blowout.
Not watching it.
Then you get to rest, relax. You ain't got to worry about the calls. You got to worry about calls.
No, but y'all still be complaining. Y'all up 30 calling for fouls. Man, I hate that shit.
But you still, motherfucker ain't trying to get hurt, though. You still gotta call fouls.
That's true, but
Just cause you a 30 don't mean you don't need no fouls. You said what?
I'm talking about teams. I'm talking about teams.
That's what I'm saying. But if you up 30, only way if you up 30, that's what I'm saying. The team, of course, the other team gonna be fouled.
Yeah.
You need your foul. You gonna have to
Take your time, take your time.
Yeah,
No
you
rush.
gonna hit him up in the mouth.
Good pass,
And hit the red.
Wait not to call that flop.
Shit.
Hey, tell that to quit flopping, Calvin.
Tripping?
Hey, Calvin, tell that to quit flopping.
You can't do it.
Oh! Not this time. Not this time.
Y'all gonna lose y'all lead. Y'all trying to have so much fun. Yeah.
Hey, good call, Jason.
Hey, they up. They don't need no calls. They up. They don't need no calls.
Yeah.
That's your best kid.
What he said is he goes out. Vic gonna be on his back. Vic gonna be on his back. He got the best first step in the NFL.
34, 30.
34? Eagles got 30?
He ain't no way in hell Eagles scoring 34 points, man.
Put the waves on it.
They can't score in the red zone, man. They suck. How did he just lose the ball?
Do one.
All right, Dex, boy, you gonna hurt yourself playing with them. You gonna hurt yourself playing with them. I ain't. Dex, you better slow down, Dex. You gonna hurt yourself, man.
Man, I done been through it.
You better slow down going through them like that.
High school, as far as what really was that, who he just was dumping everybody.
What school you go to? Graduated when?
You running around like this, man.
Everybody hitting the ground, man. What the hell's going on? What the hell's going on? Why everybody hitting the ground? Hey, this game is sloppy. See?
He wasn't playing.
Jack!
He wasn't playing.
Jack!
He wasn't playing like he was
Where did you play, Alex?
Of course, he was a freshman.
Alex, where did you play? Where did you play?
He was a little skinny, scrawny thing.
Oh, did you?
Hey, she said they cheating. They about to lose anyway by
30 points a game.
He got one out. He played
Don't stop putting that up
Is anybody taking any pictures?
Nah, fuck that. This game?
No, I'm just saying. Is anybody taking any pictures?
No quit. Who's the foul?
I ain't see nobody.
Jason!
That should be happening with every good shot.
Dex, if you gonna shoot that, you might as well shoot a 3, man. All right. Why they telling him pass the ball? He the best. He the best player on the team.
Who? TJ! Who
on the ground.
Phillips back in the game.
No point. Take points off.
George Parker. No point. No points. -2. Yeah. +2 on home.
See, that's why I'm watching scout.
Lex, this game don't even count. This game don't even count. This playing these white birds now. This gotta be the same team being. Yeah, that's what I said. They don't even got Courtney. If they had Courtney, the game probably be a little different. When? It's a happening. Nah, we play y'all next. Jay!
I get some of that. We play y'all next week?
I think so. Dragon. I think we don't say that. We played everybody. We played everybody except y'all. I think.
Don't you hate when people say that?
Uh-oh. Shit, still down. They down there by 20. This game.
Y'all put 7 paper screens.
Buckets.
Give up.
Damn, hey. Tag!
Everybody knows that that's what you're doing, but you still do it every game.
It's not hard to run.
How you gonna call it delay a game? That's
That's the case. Everybody
they
would be doing it. I would be doing it. That's what I'm saying. So you gotta
What?
respect that. What he runs around and gets screens. That's what Ray Allen does. He's a Hall of Famer. You gotta respect what he
I'm
does.
saying, I
guarantee you won't be chasing him around like that. Yes, this league.
Ray Allen got patched though. Ray Allen is athletic.
We're all here.
I'm just proud of his brain.
I'm not sure I remember that.
He knows. Why you telling him? I'm not debating.
Mr. Shits on the free throws is what he did.
That means you're a bad teammate.
I was a good team. I
didn't stop him.
I actually came out to get other people in the game. So that's a good team.
That's not a good team. He made the team lose because of that.
Well, if it wasn't for Paul Tan,
You
put in a 6-minute rule.
You pulled a LeBron.
No, if it wasn't for Paul Tan, put in a 6-minute rule. Enforcing a 6-minute rule, I would have. If they enforce the rule, then if you don't do it, you don't lose.
Gucci ain't supposed to the rule. They let him
But had it been us, but had it been us,
Chase
they would
came
have
out.
All y'all gotta do is complain about it.
We did.
I know if we would have been up and or something and we went something like that, we would have heard something. I know it would.
Complained about it to the commissioner.
Huh?
But we only had 6 players.
It doesn't matter. That's the rule.
I wanted to be 7.
TJ and the other dude.
Now, if you try to play close up on me and what happened? You scored. You took me to the rack. Yeah, don't do that again. That's just bad defense. Why would you do that when I haven't shot the ball yet? Why would you play me close up like that?
Yeah, that's like, you see when I guard you, I let you go ahead and shoot the
Talk to
3.
your man. Talk to your man in him. Talk to your man in him.
You gotta make it. You gotta come in and hit it.
You can
Close up on me.
you can leave Bambo open. He don't shoot.
Why would you play me close up?
I never seen him shoot a jumper.
He hasn't been paying attention, but he plays me close up and half
Hey, you try to
court.
jumper yet?
No, I'm not. Why?
I ain't seen this shit. One jumper needs.
But he plays me close up.
We was pressing though.
Oh, you were.
He was. He got pressed.
Everybody knows I'm not going to shoot it, but he'll get in there somehow.
And that's where they cut off the video.
Take it.
Spreewell.
Give it to somebody with 2 eyes. That's great vision. Like a fire out there. out there like, I got one that I heard. I want that I heard.
What happened to this team?
They ain't got that two best players.
Niggas on that team?
Yeah.
Nick and Courtney.
Courtney is.
Nick is not no out. He don't.
No what?
He just good on offense. He don't play no D.
Jack, Jack can shoot threes.
I play
Forgot
D.
about that. Jack can bust you open.
I don't see that's what I play D.
Man, can't. Are they ready to call this game?
They just want to give up.
Are they ready to call this game?
Look at his face. They look like they want to give up.
Yeah, but they were just a second ago.
A second ago.
And then we look back up and it was 25.
They only have 5 players too, though, man. Number 20 looks tired.
They got 6.
It's like me out there.
They only got 5 people.
And one.
And one.
Who is it on?
Defense. Come on.
They still shoot free throws. You can't change that yet. I'll tell you one thing, my fat ass tired nobody showed up on my team. I ain't trying to run around for 44 minutes.
Who didn't show up?
We only had 5 people. We had the big dude, Scott.
You got tired.
Tired of this.
Did JJ come?
JJ off the team. Why? He blew his knee out. He blew his knee out. Doing what?
You should pull that.
What? I don't know how he did it.
A little short, cocky.
JJ blew his knee out.
Pretty built, left-handed guy.
Yeah, it's the 3rd time he blew his knee out. He did it twice when we played football. Yeah.
Terrible.
Had everything. One year. Our senior year we was alright.
Yeah, that's it.
You done 05, right? Yeah, our senior year we was alright.
I went there. Oh shit.
Playing at the Hill. Good pass, Logan.
Getting buckets on everybody.
You know why he stopped playing though? He hurt his hamstring. He hurt his hamstring. And his contract in Egypt ain't guaranteed. So he didn't want to keep playing. Yeah, that's why he didn't want to keep playing.
You talking about Barlow?
Nah, Tyrone.
What happened to Barlow? Why ain't he?
He's like the only person in the city that I think really got
I thought Barlow played with IU out, didn't he?
Yeah.
How many years he played there?
He
went there all four.
He ain't overseas? You would think.
Right? He played good.
Yeah.
Everybody in his league.
Who?
Anybody in his league one-on-one.
Who?
I'm saying anybody who ever played in the state, period.
I think Tyrone.
Only reason he didn't go to the league.
I think Tyrone
is
Leroy.
That's why when nobody.
I think Tyrone. Robert Glenn. Yeah.
What position is
I
Robert?
think.
That's true.
They're gonna say shooting guard.
Buck 80, man.
They're gonna say shooting guard.
He's a good player.
He kill everywhere he go though.
I think Tyrone.
That's the thing. Nah, they play together all the time.
Tyrone's a
And I
man.
think Tyrone will beat him.
Yeah, Tyrone. Yeah, Tyrone.
Just like you said, Tyrone. He
Not
played
a
his
different
demo
plan.
camp. We saw it in the pro-am this summer.
Robbie plays
Eric Gordon is a big dude too.
That
Dunk
and
on anybody, but
they don't trust because he got like 3 kids and shit. They don't like
Robert Glenn is.
nothing to do with anything, man. He's not
Don't none of the agents pick him up. If he had a good agent, he'd be playing.
Going down.
NBA.
Yeah, if he had a good agent, he wouldn't be in the training camp at least for a preseason.
Y'all ain't gonna get 100.
Only team he ever worked out
NBA is
was
a
the
different
Pacers.
league.
I ain't getting 100.
He's willing to play. He doesn't have a position.
I can't.
That's not.
Did we do 100?
That's true. I can't argue.
We took it too easy first half to get 100.
No,
To me,
we done scored like 50 some points in the half before.
Indy?
I know we only had 30 seconds first half.
Man.
So he's better than
I think we done scored more than that. I think we done had 30 something in the half and ended up with 100. Not this season, last season we
Did
did.
y'all see he won a dunk contest out there when he was playing in
So they do for Daniel, the first butler, what's his name?
That team was
Man, y'all.
This the home watching video.
Huh.
this team.
I think
Y'all team was more relentless. That team last season.
Nah, this ain't better, I think.
Dunk on him? Hell no.
I think it's better because we run this whole game. That game wasn't a good game last game. That's why I said it wasn't a good game for me either. I only had 20.
See how much Calvin has? 45 and 22.
He's trying to say Robert doing better than other teams. But that's what I said.
They ain't playing no defense. The score was 103 to 102.
You know, the record don't mean anything. I still think, John, I still think they team is still, it's still a contender in the damn. It's still, they got close to us. That's what I said, the record don't show
I
anything.
think we beat them by 3.
And he be trying to.
Yeah, we beat them by a little
A little bit.
So that's why I said they still, man, they still contenders for the playoffs. Watch, I think they're gonna make it far in the playoffs. The playoffs is a different atmosphere. It ain't gonna be as many shots going up. The rest gonna be different.
They had Anthony Brock too. I mean,
But Rob tries to get
he's a decent player.
The playoffs is way different than this damn West Coast. It ain't as many shots going up unless you're just blowing the team out. Now if the game is close,
Like if I just touch on my face, I was like,
it's gonna be cautious shots because then the ref, like I said, the reffing changed. It did it last season. The reffing changed during the playoffs.
yeah, he said he get over there.
Go rebound, Greek.
I was glad.
But yeah, that's what I said. Yeah, they still, cause they in our division. Yeah, they in our division. Yeah, Calvin was mad that when we beat him, he's like, yeah, it's personal. He's like, next time we play y'all, it's going down. Yeah, it's going down. I was like, damn, it ain't that deep. This is just some fun games. Shit.
I mean, if Calvin, B. West, and Brock and John show up,
man, they still gonna be a team to. Ain't no team, even though we got the best record, it's still every game is not guaranteed no blowout. Shit. I know that this season too. Last season, I ain't had to worry about it. Look who I had on my team. I had Dedrick, Calvin. We had a squad.
Big body Larry, you went to have.
I still, yeah, going no way. But now this season,
He might be okay.
it's some nice teams. It's some teams that
it's about cutting the 18 is more amount of good players on one team.
yeah. So yeah, that's say even though
What you talking about? Points and turnovers?
Basilis does the same.
Double.
the city's been patting us.
What Jack got, man?
He leading the team,
He probably is too. Shit.
and he played D.
Look at this fan.
Just get about the Jack, man.
That jet right there.
Samurai Jack.
Samurai Jack.